Want some of this? What do you think? Yeah? It's a keeper. Hi.
Oh, I know. All of that is going down too. It's not even the mustache or anything. All of that is going down.
Hello.
Dad let me feed him last night.
Dad let you feed him? That was nice.
And I got to feed him really nice. And he was so cute.
Hi.
Really nice. Then we went down some. Then we went out.
Then you ran out of food?
Mhm. What? Can I feed him too?
Nope, I'll do it this time. Hey, Noah.
Can I just get another spoon and do it? Please.
Are you finished with your toast?
Almost. Can I have a bite?
He's checking you out. Oh.
He doesn't have teeth. You don't need to chew. You could all you have to do is swallow. I know, when you're like... Okay, now, go like this. Go like this.
Want any more?
Go like this. Oh. Like that. Oh, I wish I could get your attention. Oh. You know what I was like? I was like this. Okay, now put the camera to me. Oh, I tried to get your attention, but you didn't get it. Oh.
He likes you.
Put it.
Whoa, you clean up your mouth a little bit there. Hi.